In this video, let me show you how to pay Atome using InstaPay. You can use your Atome card anywhere that MasterCard is accepted for your payments, including in physical stores and restaurants, to spend online with e-commerce stores and make in-app purchases. First, open the Atome app and go to the bill section. Select the bill you want to pay, tap Pay Now, choose InstaPay as the payment method. A unique 16-digit account number linked to Asia United Bank will appear. Copy this number, open your preferred bank app or e-wallet, and select the option to transfer money via InstaPay. Choose Asia United Bank as the recipient bank, paste the 16-digit number into the account field, and enter Atome card as the account name. Input the exact amount due, review all details, and confirm the transaction. Once done, you'll receive a confirmation from your bank or wallet. Save a screenshot or copy of this receipt. Payments usually reflect within minutes, but in some cases, it can take 3 to 5 business days. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.